Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to put stickers on photos on iPhone. So first of all, one of the easiest ways that you can actually pull this off is by just going ahead right here. Let's say for example, let's go ahead to Instagram. Okay, next step, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and click my story at the top left. All right, I'm going to choose, let's say for example, a picture. Okay, let's say for example this background. All right, next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go back to my screen. Okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead to my photos, and I'm gonna choose any type of stickers that you want to add to this background photo. Okay, let's say for example I want to put let's say okay, let's say for example, okay, let's say some kind of logo, like let's say for example I want to put this one. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead right here and hold. All right, and I'm gonna just hold my other finger to go back to my screen. Okay, next step, I'm gonna just go ahead into finding. Okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead to my Instagram, and I'm gonna just put that picture. If that didn't work out for you, you're gonna just go ahead. Alternatively, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your photos right here. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just hold the photo. Okay, next step, I'm gonna see right here the copy. I'm gonna just copy this photo. All right, or logo, whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my screen, and I'm gonna just go ahead to my Instagram. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just normally click on my screen right here in front of the screen, and I'm gonna just paste like I've copied some words from my notes, for example. Okay, and as you can see, I put my sticker right here on my photo. And if you want to take a screenshot, you could just take a screenshot, and now you took a screenshot with the background in a sticker on it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.